So learning can be expensive. Let me rephrase that. Learning is expensive. Whether it's professional or personal development, it doesn't come cheap. You have to give it a lot of resources, and one of those resources is financial. I understand that sometimes you would want to take a course, get a certification, or even use some tools on a PC and you don't have one, and you don't have the financial resources to get them. That's why I bring you good news. I just found a platform that actually helps people on their education and learning journey. In a nutshell, what they help you with is to attain your learning goals or attain your education goals. So what's the name of the platform? The name of the platform is Edustipend. Yeah, the word is pronounced stipend, not stipend. Yeah, get the point, right? Okay, Edustipend is a platform that is now helping people on their learning journey. How do they do that? Every month they disburse 3 new laptops as learning devices for 3 people, of course, and they give data or internet subscription to up to 25 people every month. And lastly, they give partial or full payment for courses. It could be online or certifications for 5 people every month. That's roughly 30 people in a month enjoying this. So how do you even benefit from this if you truly do not have the resources you need to attain your learning goal? The first thing you want to do is to check out the website www.edustipend.org, right? And you would be able to see the details you need to apply. But you need to know that the application cycle is not always open, all right? As at the time this video is posted, the application period for this month is open, but if you're watching this video on a later date, make sure to access the website first to know if the process or if the application period is on. Alright, I'm sure this video has been helpful and informative. I want you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and share the good news with other people, and like this video because it is and will be useful to you and many more people. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye, peace, bye and peace.